Jeff Lehrmann with CableMaster, the Senior Director of Product Management and Power Cords. We are a provider of power cords, wire harnesses, as well as bulk wire and cable. We have been with Rubicon since 2018, and the experience has been wonderful. We really enjoy using the software. For us, it's really been the user friendliness, the ease of use. There isn't a lot of training. Everybody else has user manuals and doing this stuff. The basic infrastructure, it is so very user-friendly. It allows you to do it and do it quickly, get new employees up to speed very quickly. Some of my favorite features is literally the ability to be able to customize the software to what you need it to be at a relatively affordable price and having it done quickly. At the user group, you get to learn what's new and exciting, what's coming, what's new in the software, as well as get to interact with fellow users as to how they use it, how we use it, and kind of figure out, common solutions for similar problems. Just literally thank you. Been great to work with you guys. Nothing more than we're very, very pleased to work with you.